Let's do this before my kids come back. Uplift a poet instead of talking him down. Uplift a poet instead of beating him to the ground. Uplift a poet who might be going through it. Uplift a poet who might not know how to do it. Uplift a poet that loves to write. Uplift a poet that loves to recite. Uplift the poets that have already sacrificed. Uplift the poets from the past that have already passed. Uplift the poets from 1996. Uplift the poets that are still here in the mix. Uplift the poets that left a dirty, dirty taste in your mouth. Uplift the poets that come out of the dirty, dirty South. Uplift the poets that love to tell you what it's all about. Uplift the poets that love to spit about the deception in the church. Uplift the poets that love to spit about everything that'll probably make your itty bitty little heart hurt. Uplift the poets that love to spit in their slacks. Uplift the poets that love to spit in their skirts. Uplift the poets that love to spit in their shirts. Uplift the poets that love to spit about Mother Earth. Uplift the poets that love to spit with their feet planted deep down in the dirt. Uplift the poets that been won ever since birth. Yo, I'm out.